So we are hiring for summer facilities internship 2026. So actually what we are expecting is that we want an intern at our company that will partner with the facilities group to support operations in five different manufacturing facilities. So in this role you will report to the facility manager. So the responsibilities are quite clear that you will be working on an individual project or multiple projects to support the facilities group. You will verify and update various facility utilities using the CARE software. It is the most popular software. Many mechanical as well as civil engineers use this software. So we expect that electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, civil engineers, manufacturing engineers, materials engineers, packaging engineers, biomedical engineers, chemical engineers, safety and supply chain, bioengineering, industrial engineering, petroleum engineering students appear, and even aerospace engineering will those who are doing aerospace will be most likely to accommodated in this field, and the construction management as well as industrial and systems engineering programs, those who are following these programs will be welcomed to apply for summer facilities internship 2026. So you can see that this internship covers multiple domains. So we have multiple sectors, and each sector requires different domain a student who specializes in some particular skill. Most probably some of you will be working on site and some of you will be working purely on software programs. So we will be judging you based on your caliber, and that will the caliber level will be surely judged by our most qualified recruitment team when they will be interviewing you, and based upon your interview performance you will be allocated to either hardware or software management teams. So you have the ability. The facilities are in Andover, Haverhill, Lawrence, Methuen, and Wilmington. So this means that the qualified candidates must be based on US. We won't be sponsoring visas, and we want you to have experience with AI integration, experience with AutoCAD, willingness to adapt, and to even learn new things when difficult time approaches. You need to understand, you need to comprehend, and you need to put maximum effort. Of course the seniors will be there to help you, but they have other stuff to do. They have their own responsibilities. So multiple times the juniors come again and again to senior, and there's a clash between them. Why? Because you don't have to just discuss each and every problem with the seniors. You have to do the work on your own also. So a competitive base salary ranging from 22 to $29 per hour will be provided. So we are basically an internationally recognized